What's up, everyone? Hope everyone's having a great day. I'm on my walk, my daily walk every day, out in beautiful nature. This wonderful forest behind me, sun is shining. It's a beautiful summer day. Hope you're all having a great day. I wanted to make this video today for you because what I've noticed on my experience with myself and working with so many clients around their healing journey, getting their health back, revitalizing their bodies and getting healthy and happy hearts, feeling good again, what it feels like to be like that. And one of the things I've noticed that is pretty essential that a lot of us miss is where do we put our attention? If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you feel so kind to subscribe, like, and if you want, you can leave a comment. I love when people leave comments. I love the engagement and I love answering questions on there, so go ahead. We're just here to provide a source of inspiration, of knowledge, and hopefully something that can help you if you are suffering from a chronic illness or you're suffering from, just everyday anxiety, depression, and you want to live a life that's, what I think all aspire to, which is to be healthy, really physically healthy and vital, and to be happy. So that's what we do here. So thank you for tuning in. So the number one thing that I've noticed is where people are putting their attention. Now, I'm not talking about like focus. I'm literally talking about where you're putting your mind and your energy. And most of the folks that I work with, that is the number one thing, is there's so many unconscious patterns in place. Oh, I need to figure this out. I need to worry about the war over there. I need to, be concerned about the finances. I need to, yes, we all of us are working with that. But especially if you are someone that is suffering from chronic illness, it becomes even more important for you to take your attention, which is typically outside the body, in the head, bringing it back in to soak the mind into the body, to bring our attention into what we are, which is, if you're in the human world, the experience of being a human being, this is the body. And the body needs our attention, especially for those of you that are suffering. So there's so many ways, so many techniques, but simply put, all we have to do is catch when our attention is somewhere else. And typically, many of you are familiar hearing this, the power of now. Like when we're out of our bodies, we're thinking and strategizing for the future, anticipating things that can happen, or we're kind of ruminating over the past, things that have happened, memories, traumas, circumstances that maybe didn't go so well, or maybe did go well, and you're just spending more time in them. All of those, sorry, I got a lot of black flies here. These are the traps that we can get stuck in. We're always worried about, am I gonna get more sick? Oh, or the anxiety of like, am I gonna run out of my medication? Or, is, the war there gonna come? Am I gonna get COVID? It's all like, all of that. It's so in this anticipation, it creates a lot of unease, anxiety in our system. So what we need to do is we need to take a deep breath. We need to drop our shoulders and remember, in this moment is very simple. We need to detach from all those thoughts, opinions, preferences, things that concern or worry us, those emotions, and come back to this moment. I have birds singing here. I have the lovely black flies wanting to go in my eyes and my mouth as I'm talking with you. I have the sun, I have the trees, and I have this wonderful temple of a body. And all I need to do is just close my eyes and feel that. Bring my attention in here. Feel my breath. Notice I put my hand here or on my belly, and I just remember, simply put, this is here. And allowing all those distracting thoughts, commentary to settle until all I am is simply just attending to what is here inside. Now, sometimes for a lot of us that are sick, it can be very challenging. And this is part of the trap we've gotten caught in, is because we feel so much pain in here. And so it's much easier to project outside of ourselves, to worry about things outside of ourselves, than to feel and attend to what is here. So the first step is coming in, soaking that mind in there, and then starting to feel what's there. There's so much more we can say about this, but on this video, I just want to say it's just about redirecting. There's going to be multitudes of times, if that's, can I say that? A multitude of times that where you're going to have to course correct, where you're noticing your attention somewhere else, bring it back in. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, pause, put a smile on your face. Look at some of the Qigong movements that I have available here on the channel. How to love yourself, how to do Qigong for anxiety and difficult feelings. These are all ways to ground the mind into the body and ultimately remember who and what we are. If we can sustain that and we can stabilize that, we literally can start the process of unlocking this perpetual pattern that our mind gets caught in when we have pathology, when we are sick with chronic illness. And this is why it's so important. You have to change that, first superficially, but eventually at a root level. Once you can get in there and change those subconscious, those unconscious patterns that are there, when you can change those and you can inhabit this body, you can stabilize your mind in here. Wherever your mind goes, the chi follows, right? Wherever your mind goes, the energy flows to that. So if you keep your mind in here, the chi, the energy will come in and will begin the process of healing. But if your mind is always outside you, in the past, in the future, too much in the rumination of thoughts and emotions, you're just going to have more of that. So we need to break that cycle, drop in, soak that mind down in there. Feel the presence that you are, the beauty, the love, the strength and power that you all have within you. It's all right there. Tune into that and you will be amazed what will start to happen to your body and your mind. This is the process I take all the folks that work with me in. If you feel like you cannot do this on your own and you really need help, you need a coach, you need someone that can help you on the way, go ahead and check my links below. You can give me a call, you can book an appointment with me, you can check out how I work with people. Also, don't forget, grab the free healing meditation. This is another technique that'll help you heal much faster. It's a guided meditation. Most of the people love it that work with me. That is all, my friends, today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Stay healthy, stay happy, Get outside and remember, you are wonderful. Have a great day.